Welcome back. Today we're tackling Zurich, one of the world's priciest cities on a shoestring. I'm revealing the best free activities, food hacks, and transport secrets to help you experience Zurich without breaking the bank. From lakeside strolls to panoramic city views, I've got you covered with weeks of research packed into this guide. We'll cover where to stay, how to get around, and where to eat for less. Grab a notebook and get ready. These 10 hacks will make your Zurich trip epic and affordable. Let's dive in. Zurich on a budget, coming right up. Let's kick things off with the best word ever, free. Zurich is full of amazing no-cost experiences. Start in the old town, Niederdorf, where you can wander cobblestone streets, soak up medieval vibes, and get lost in history. Next, stroll along Lake Zurich's promenades. The views are breathtaking and relaxing by the water is totally free. Don't miss Lindenhof Hill for panoramic city views and a dose of Roman history. Window shop on Bahnhofstrasse, one of the world's most exclusive shopping streets. It's like a free luxury museum. Explore Zurich's neighborhoods on foot. Each area has its own character, from trendy Zurich West to quiet residential corners. Check out the city's parks. Rita Park and the Chinese Garden are both beautiful and free to visit. Pop into historic churches like Grossmünster and Fraumünster. Entry is free and the architecture is stunning. Keep an eye out for free events. Zurich hosts open-air concerts, markets and festivals year-round. Local tip-check community boards or event websites before your trip for hidden gems. Make a game out of guessing prices in shop windows. You'll be amazed. Street art, quirky cafes, and unique architecture are everywhere if you just wander. Many museums offer free entry on certain days. Do a quick search before you go. We even stumbled on a lakeside music performance. Totally free and unforgettable. So first hack, embrace the free. Zurich has more of it than you think. Your adventure starts with zero cost. Getting around Zurich doesn't have to drain your wallet. Here's how to do it smart. The Zurich card gives you unlimited travel on trams, buses, trains and some boats, plus museum discounts. If you're sightseeing a lot, it's a huge saver. For lighter days, grab a ZVV Day Pass, cheaper than multiple single tickets and perfect for exploring the city center. Trams are the backbone of Zurich's transport, fast, clean and everywhere. Buses and trains are great for reaching further spots. Don't forget to validate your ticket before boarding. Here's a golden hack. Zurich offers free bike rentals with a refundable deposit, perfect for lakeside rides or park adventures. And yes, Zurich is super walkable. Group your sites by area and explore on foot to save even more. Avoid taxis, they're crazy expensive. Stick to public transport, bikes or walking. Example, a single tram ticket is about 4.40 francs, but a day pass is 8.80, 3 trips and you're already saving. The Zurich card is around 27 francs for 24 hours. Do the math for your plans. Free bikes, just the deposit which you get back. Walking lets you discover hidden alleys and shops you'd miss otherwise. Plan your routes to minimize transport costs and maximize your experience. We walked miles every day and loved it. Remember, validate tickets, use day passes and grab a free bike early. Zurich's transport is world-class. Use it wisely. Your wallet will thank you. Accommodation in Zurich can be pricey, but there are great budget options if you know where to look. Hostels are your best bet. Many offer private rooms and communal kitchens to save on food. Check out Youth Hostel Zurich or Green Marmot Capsule Hotel for affordable, unique stays. Guest houses and pensions offer local charm, often with breakfast included, and are usually cheaper than hotels. Airbnb private rooms can be a steal, especially just outside the city center. Plus, you might get kitchen access. Book early, especially for peak season, and compare prices across platforms for the best deals. Traveling in spring or fall, prices drop and crowds thin out. Couchsurfing is an option for the adventurous. Free stays with locals, but always check reviews for safety. Staying a short tram ride from the center can save you a bundle. Pro tip: if you're near a tram stop, you're golden. The money you save on accommodation can go straight to experiences or chocolate. Be flexible, do your research, and you'll find a comfy bed without breaking the bank. Zurich's budget beds are out there, you just have to look. Sleep smart, save big, rest up for your next adventure. Eating well in Zurich on a budget is totally possible. Here's how. Supermarkets like Coop and Migros are your best friends. Grab fresh bread, cheese, fruit and snacks for cheap, delicious picnics. Find a scenic spot by the lake or in a park and enjoy a meal with a view. Local markets like Helvetiaplatz offer fresh produce and local treats at great prices. For hot meals, look for kebab shops or Asian takeaways outside tourist zones, filling and affordable. University canteens like ETH Zurich's Mensa Politerrasse serve subsidized meals to the public, plus the views are amazing. Many restaurants offer lunch specials, Mittagsmenu, at a fraction of dinner prices, perfect for trying Swiss cuisine. If your accommodation has a kitchen, cook your own meals for maximum savings. Even simple pasta or soup can feel like a feast. Eating on a budget in Zurich is about creativity, not deprivation. Mix picnics, cheap eats, and the occasional treat for a tasty, affordable trip. Your taste buds and wallet will both be happy. Bon appetit, budget style. Drinks in Zurich can be pricey, but staying hydrated is easy and free. Zurich has over 1,200 public water fountains with pristine mountain water. Bring a reusable bottle and fill up everywhere. Never buy bottled water. For sodas or juices, supermarkets are way cheaper than cafes or vending machines. Want a beer or wine? Buy from the supermarket and enjoy it by the lake or in your accommodation. Just check local rules. If you crave the bar vibe, hunt for happy hour deals or local pubs in Zurich West for better prices. Alternate alcoholic drinks with free fountain water to stretch your budget. Be mindful, one great local beer is better than several overpriced ones. Free water, smart supermarket buys, and happy hour hunting will keep your drink costs low. Stay refreshed, stay smart. Zurich's water is world class. Take advantage. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. Cheers to free hydration. Zurich's top sites don't have to cost a fortune. Many are free or super cheap. Admire the Grossmünster's architecture for free, and if you want, pay a small fee to climb the tower for epic views. Fraumünster's stained glass windows are famous. Peek inside during free hours or services. St. Peter's Church has Europe's largest clock face. Entry is usually free, and it's right in the old town. Lindenhof Hill offers the best panoramic city views, completely free and perfect for photos. Some museums have free entry days or permanent free collections. Check their websites before you go. Explore the old town's alleys, courtyards, and quirky shops. Window shopping is a sightseeing adventure in itself. Bahnhofstrasse is a landmark too. Walk from the main station to the lake and soak up the city's buzz. Prioritize free sites and use discounts for paid ones. Zurich's icons are accessible to everyone with a little planning. Take in the history, art, and views. No big budget needed. Your camera will be full, but your wallet won't be empty. Sightseeing Zurich style. Zurich's fun doesn't stop at free sites. There are plenty of low-cost adventures. Check for museum discounts. Student cards, evening tickets, or family passes can save you a lot. Smaller, quirky museums often have lower fees or are free. Search online for hidden gems. Watch for festivals, open-air concerts, and street food events. Many are free to attend. Hike Wettliberg Mountain for stunning city and Alps views. Walk up for free or use a transport pass for the train. Swim in Lake Zurich at public lidos or free access points. Clean, refreshing, and unforgettable. Join a free or tip-based walking tour or create your own self-guided route with online resources. People watch in a busy square or relax by the river. Sometimes the best experiences are the simplest. Zurich's public spaces are perfect for low-key fun. Mix outdoor adventures, cultural events, and chill time for a rich, affordable trip. The city's energy is contagious. Enjoy it without overspending. Find your fun, your way. Zurich is full of surprises for budget travelers. Adventure awaits. Ready for next-level savings? Here are the final hacks to master Zurich on a budget. Reconsider the Zurich card. If you're hitting lots of attractions and using transport, it's a game changer. Download essential apps. SBB Mobile for transport, Google Maps for navigation, and apps for free Wi-Fi or events. Free Wi-Fi is available in many public spots. Use it to avoid roaming charges and stay connected. Tipping is minimal in Switzerland. Service is included, so just round up or leave a small extra for great service. Travel in spring or fall for cheaper flights and accommodation plus fewer crowds. Students always carry your ID for discounts at museums, attractions, and sometimes transport. Learn a few basic German phrases. Locals appreciate it, and it can lead to friendlier service. Every little saving adds up. Don't be shy about asking for discounts. Plan, prepare, and use tech to your advantage. These tips will make you a Zurich budget master. Save big, travel smart. You've got this. That's a wrap. We explored Zurich with 10 genius hacks for an epic, affordable trip. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share your own Zurich tips in the comments. Check the video description for all the resources mentioned. Thanks for watching. Now go conquer Zurich on a budget. See you next time.